It's always a good time on the 4th. Kevin, Perry, good morning.
Good
Jason,
morning.
we've got the whole crew here.
We do.
So tell us about the event and how it's for a great cause.
We have a block party, starts at 4. The contest is at 6, and it's cool. We treat it like a dog-a-thon. So you can go to mycitytavern.com/hotdogs and pledge per dog for your favorite contestant, or just donate to the American Legion straight away.
Yeah.
And the American Legion Post 38 right here in Fort Myers, serving local vets.
That's amazing. And celebrity chef Brian Duffy, he's going to be help making the dogs, so that's fun.
Yep, Brian's coming down again. He's always here for it. He's going to MC and host the contest as well, so we're looking forward to that.
That is awesome. And Legendary Automotive, you guys are going to be here on the 4th.
Yes,
Tell us.
every year we're happy to partner with City Tavern every year and just really help donate and give back to the veterans. And we'll be giving another car away to a veteran in need that gives back to other veterans. So it's going to be a really special event,
Wow.
like always.
That's amazing.